Hey there, welcome to the Global Agricultural Solutions YouTube channel. Please subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell for more informative videos. I'm diving into the world of agriculture today to explore something pretty exciting, the top 10 crops that could potentially turn you into a millionaire. Now I know farming isn't just about the money, but who doesn't like a good profit, right? So whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, stick around to learn about these lucrative crops. First on our list is saffron. Known as the red gold, saffron is the most expensive spice in the world. It requires a lot of labor to harvest, but the payoff can be huge. Just a pound of saffron can fetch thousands of dollars. Next up, we have bamboo. Yeah, you heard that right. Bamboo isn't just for pandas, it's a rapidly growing plant that's used in everything from construction to clothing. It's environmentally friendly and super sustainable, making it a hot commodity. Moving on, let's talk about lavender. Not only does this plant smell amazing, but it's also extremely versatile. Used in essential oils, cosmetics, and even culinary dishes, lavender can be a solid source of income. Fourth on the list is goji berries. These tiny fruits are packed with antioxidants and have soared in popularity as a superfood. Growing goji berries might require some patience, but the market demand makes them a profitable choice. Number 5 is truffles. These underground mushrooms are a chef's dream and can fetch a high price in the market. Truffle farming is challenging and requires the right environment, but the rewards can be substantial. Let's not forget about ginseng. This medicinal herb is highly prized for its health benefits. It takes a while to grow, but high-quality ginseng can sell for hundreds of dollars per pound. Seventh, we have hemp. With the increasing legalization of hemp products, there's a booming market for this crop. Hemp can be used to make everything from textiles to biofuels. Next, we have tea. Whether it's green, black, or oolong, tea is a staple beverage worldwide. High-quality, organic tea leaves are especially sought after in the market. Number 9 is coffee. Just like tea, coffee is a beloved beverage globally. Specialty coffee beans, like those from specific microclimates, can be sold at premium prices. And lastly, we have organic salad greens. These aren't your average lettuce leaves. Organic salad greens like kale, arugula, and spinach are in high demand, especially among health-conscious consumers. So there you have it. These 10 crops could be your ticket to not just making a living, but making a fortune. Remember, farming any of these crops successfully requires knowledge, patience, and a bit of green thumb magic. Thanks for tuning in, and maybe I'll see you out there in the fields, making that green in more ways than one.